The first step is to check whether your new steering wheel cover exactly matches the size of your steering wheel. Place the cover on the wheel and adjust the location until it fits. Make sure the edges line up. If it does not fit, please contact our customer services. The second step is to paste double-sided adhesive. Take the cover off the wheel and apply the adhesive on the back of the cover. Leave a 5mm gap on the edge as an overlap. Replace the cover on the wheel and check the position is accurate. Readjust if not. Stick the cover to the wheel using the adhesive tape. Begin with areas of the cover marked by the yellow dots, those at 12, 3, 6 and 9 o'clock, and stick these down. Ensure the positioning of the cover is accurate. This process ensures the cover does not wrinkle and the binding is smooth. The fifth step is sewing. We're using red thread to match the style of the steering wheel cover. Tie a small knot at the end of your thread. First, pierce the cover through the inner lining. The second stitch must go through both the layers on the outer lining. Finish sewing by tying a knot in the thread. Burn the end off using a lighter. You now have a finished product.